Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some lobster tails. Also, I'm going to be doing some one steak, a large steak with that, and some green beans and some rice cauliflower. This is for dinner. This is a special day. It's Bill's birthday, so let me get started, okay? These are the lobster tails that I purchased at Aldi's, and they are 8 pounds. And according to the direction, you're supposed to cook them for 1.5 minutes for each pound. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the package here and go ahead and wash them. I'm cooking the green beans along with some garlic and butter. I'm going to cook that first, and then I'm going to add the cauliflower rice to it. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to the 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. So I have cooked this, melted the butter and so on. So now I'm going to prepare the lobsters. So let me show you that. Okay, I'm going to show you how I broke this one open. I cut it first with the scissors here, and I just cut it down this area here, and I pull the meat out. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and prepare the other lobster. So you can see here I have the scissors. I'm going in. I'm going to cut all the way down to that area right there, and I'm going to stop. I'm going to place my finger inside of the shell and pull that meat back. Again, take this hand, don't break the shell, just dig in there and grab the meat out of the lobster here, and you just pull the lobster all the way up to this area here, and the lobster is gonna rest on the shell. See how that looks? And that's the second one, and I'm gonna get my seasoning and add that to the lobster before I place it in the skillet. What I'm going to add in the skillet with the butter and avocado oil, along with the onions, not onions, but garlic. I'm going to add some garlic powder, and I'm going to do about a half teaspoon of that, a half teaspoon of cumin. This is Cajun lobster, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. I have my lemon on the side over here. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up. Mix everything up in the pan here. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some lemon in the pan. I have the lemon here in my hand. Okay, I added that. That looks good. And now I'm gonna bring the lobster tails over here and place them in the pan. And I'll let you see how I'm gonna massage everything into the lobster. This oil is not that hot at this time, the oil and the butter, but you want to get that seasoning on both sides of this lobster and inside the shell. You can add some of the garlic in there, and then you want to place it on a side over here. I'm going to do the same thing with the other lobster, and this is going to be so good. So good. Just dipping it in the lobster. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little more paprika on the lobster tails. Okay, but it is well seasoned as it is. Let me go ahead and wash my hands. Okay, I'm just adding a little more of the paprika on the top of it. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it in a 350 degrees oven for 12 to 14 minutes. Okay, but I will keep an eye on it because sometimes my oven cooks faster than most. And this is the lobster tails. Let me go ahead and place them in there. Add the steak to the pan. It's really hot. That's what you want. You want to make sure your steak is dry before you place your seasoning on the steak. And here's the steak there. Press it down in the pan. I'm going to add the remainder of the steak sauce. This is some steak sauce I just picked up from Aldi. I bought the steak at HEB. It's 1 pound, 2 ounces of steak. It's Bill's favorite steak. It's a sirloin steak. So hopefully he will enjoy his birthday dinner. I'm sure he will. Allow the steak to cook about 6 minutes on both sides. These are the lobster tails I just took out of the oven. They look beautiful. Alexa, stop. I mean, they are amazing. Notice how the tails turn like an orangey red. That means they are ready. The lobster tails cooked at 350 degrees for about 14 minutes. So you can tell they are smoked. Okay, I'm gonna turn this over. On my channel, I have many steak recipes out on my YouTube channel. But this one is real simple. We use the spices on both sides. I added a little sea salt to the seasoning that I used, but it's a real easy steak recipe. And usually what I do, I'm just going to add some of this oil to the top of it, like that. And I'm going to cook it for 6 minutes on this side as well. And I'm going to, at the last minute, I'm going to add some butter in there. And just added 2 tablespoons of butter to add to the steak. If you like yours medium well, you're going to shorten your cooking time. But Bill likes his this way, so that's why I'm cooking it this way. Medium well would be a totally different time. Let it cook a little bit more. You want to touch it. And this is about perfect. That end over there is a little more rare than this other. I'll let the steak rest in a warm oven. The oven is not on. I'll just let it rest for about Bill's birthday dinner. It looks really, really, really good. And I'm sure he's gonna enjoy it. So. I will have some chicken, but right now it's still cooking. Some chicken wings, probably about two chicken wings or so. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat this because everything is ready. And I'm gonna taste this lobster tail. Oh, it's so tender. Ooh. That sauce is amazing on this lobster tail. You have to try it. It's so good. See how it just cut like butter. It's so tender and juicy. Amazing. I want more. Still a little bit in there. So I'm gonna see if I can get this out with my fork. It's so good. Inside and outside. It's so tender and good. It's so good. Eat the cauliflower rice and green beans. Very good. It's very good. So good. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.